Hello, my name is Jenny Berkmeyer, and I'm going to go over the Hangman game using that client and server. So to get started here, let's open up that server. Alright, the server is open. It's waiting for a connection. So let's connect using the client. Okay, great. So we see the communication here with the server that the client has connected, and now we have the client main screen. So what we can do here is set the name. Okay, great. And then that takes us to the main menu where we can start game or quit. So let's start the game. Here we have the new game started for Jenny. We can enter a letter, a word. We can show the game state, or we can give up or quit. So let's see here down at the server, we have the word array. From here, let's see what happens when we guess the A. Great, so we have 2 hits here. So when we show the game state, we should see some points starting to accumulate. And there we have it. Yeah, great. So we have 10 points accumulating because we have 2 hits and 0 misses. So let's see what happens if we have a miss. So the letter I is not in the word. We have our hangman starting to form here. No additional letters were placed there. Let's show the game state to see how the points have changed. So now we have 1 miss. We have a score of 9. Let's continue from here. Just for simplicity, I'm going to go ahead and guess the word. And great, so that is the correct word. We're a winner. We have quite a few more points than we did at the last time because it did add those additional points for guessing the word. From here, we can give up, quit the game. So let me see. I'm going to go back to that main menu. So we're back at the main menu. I'm going to start a new game. And then we have the new word down here at the server for database. Let's see what happens when we do a few misses and then we'll give up. So let's see. So now we have negative because we guessed a word which was incorrect. I'm not doing so hot, so let's just give up and go back to the main menu. Let's start a new game just to see if those states change and reset. Okay, now it looks like it does. So we can go ahead and quit here. And that has stopped the system, and it looks like the client has quit here. So in the server, it's going to wait for another connection. If we want, we can connect again just to see what it would happen. And again, the client has connected, and we're back to that main screen.